My partner, Leo, and I argue about dinner almost every single night. We'll go back and forth, turning down each other's suggestions for way longer than necessary, and then at the end of it all, we're both hangry, and I ain't about those vibes. So today, I am creating a DIY magnetized menu to get inspired and organized for the week ahead with the help of my Canon PIXMA printer. I've already gathered some of our favorite recipes on my phone, so I'm simply gonna print them out. Since the Canon PIXMA printer has versatile paper support with either front or rear loading, I can print on a variety of media like this Canon magnetic photo paper, so it can go straight from the printer and onto my fridge. Load in the magnetic photo paper with the print side facing up. So I got 4x6 and plus glossy 2. And print. I love it. Now I'm just gonna print out the photos and the rest of the recipe cards. These look so good and they're not even on my fridge yet. Now, Leo and I particularly chose recipes that have been passed down from our family and friends as a way to keep us grounded during a busy week and to remind us of the important things in life, our loved ones, and trip. Now I'm gonna head over to the fridge and have some fun arranging our menu picks for the week. I made this little holder by upcycling some old wine corks. It's super easy to make. Here's how I did it. Using a strong glue adhesive, glue 3 corks together and on top of magnet strips. Then allow it to completely dry. Then carefully use a blade to cut out a small groove across the corks, being sure not to cut all the way to the bottom. And just like that, you've got a unique looking recipe card holder that doubles as a magnet. Super cute and functional, just like me. This recipe is a combination of my dad's delicious quick fix chicken satay and my obsession with colorful bowls. Now I've got my little recipe card holder here. I'm gonna turn it over so I can follow that recipe. Because they're magnets, they stick together later on, flip it over, use it as inspo while I'm plating my dish. First step, I'm gonna marinate some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'm gonna add coconut milk, freshly squeezed lime juice, and salt and pepper. For the seasoning, I love my dad's little hack here of using store-bought curry powder. This is great if you're short on time or if you have difficulty sourcing specific Thai ingredients. It still has a lot of bold flavor, and the turmeric in there adds this amazing yellow hue to the chicken. Just mix it all up. It smells so good already. Now satay is usually skewered, but since this is going on a bowl, we're just gonna skip that step, and I'm gonna let this sit here for about 20 minutes while I make my peanut sauce. So straight into the saucepan, I'm gonna add coconut milk, water, peanut butter, sugar, a little bit of salt, white vinegar, crushed peanuts for a little bit of texture, and massaman curry paste. If you can't find this curry paste, no worries. You could just grate in some ginger or garlic chili sauce. It'll still be super yummy. Oh yeah, this gives it a really nice color, amazing flavor. Just let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes and then turn off the heat and let it cool down. Yeah, look at that. It is bubbling, it is thick, it is creamy. I'm just gonna turn off the heat and let this cool down on the side. I love a variety of texture and colors in my bowl and in my mouth. It's like, so I'm gonna make a simple quick vinegar slaw and Thai cucumber salad. For the slaw, combine green and red cabbage with some white vinegar and salt and pepper. For the cucumber salad, add sliced baby cucumber, shallot, bird's eye chili, white vinegar, sugar, and little salt. My chicken is done marinating. Now I've got a pan heated up here. I'm just gonna let it cook on both sides until brown and fully cooked. Then you could slice it or dice it, whatever you'd like. Now to assemble, I've got my little plating inspo here. Just scoop some cooked brown rice into a bowl, arrange the chicken, slaw, cucumber salad, drizzle on that creamy peanut sauce, and sprinkle on some fresh cilantro. Oh yes, look at this beauty. I have to give it a try. This tastes like home and love and happiness. I can already tell this is going up on that fridge menu at least a few times a month. It is that good. I hope I've inspired you to have fun experimenting with the Canon PIXMA printer to make this and other awesome projects at home.